So, I was really bored like a week ago, and then bumili ako ng gaming PC. To defend myself naman, I've been planning to buy a gaming PC for the longest time na, for like 2 years. Well, I have a job now, thank God. Tapos, nakapag-ipon na rin ako. So yeah, bumili ako ng gaming PC a week ago. The problem right now is that ang mahal ng prices. But ako kasi, I'm the type of person na if I want it, I'm gonna get it. Alam mo yun? And it's not without regrets. Kasi ang laki ng ginastos ko. Worth it naman siya for me kasi I need it. I need it for work, for my freelance work. I'm a graphic artist kasi and I'm poor. So if you need an artist, hire me. And I play a lot of games. I'm a gamer actually. Sobrang weird in these days na sabi mong gamer ka kasi people are like, you're not a gamer if ayan lang nalaro mo. Like, God, if you play games, edi gamer ka. Yung iba nga dyan, politician tawag nila sa sarili na, pero... So ayun, a little backstory. I've been a huge gamer since I was little. Like, nung ganyan pa lang ako kaliit. It has been a huge part of my life. Part meaning, may negatives din. Kunwari, nung elementary student ako, hindi naman sa pangmamayabang. Pero honor student kasi ako from like grade 1 to grade 5. And then naalik ako around grade 6 sa Dota, Counter-Strike, Ragnarok. Ayun, hindi ako naging honor student but it's fine, diba? Hindi naman sa grade na gusto nasusukat yung success. Actually, itong PC build na to is kind of on the budget. Kasi hindi naman ako like huge ass gamer na AAA games. Kasi may console naman kami for that. Na hindi ako yung nagbayad. For the past 2-3 years kasi PC games I play on my laptop and it's not cutting it na talaga. Kasi I'm playing Valorant. Because I wanna play like Apex Legends, as Overwatch. Ayun, so you know na ang nilalaro ko lang ay video games. Hindi, ano na feeling ko. Also, I'm single. I'm gonna show you the parts that I bought. I have no idea kung paano mag-build ng PC. I'm an IT graduate, pero I'm fucking stupid. So, let's see. And pag there's a problem, sarili mo nasisisihin mo. Mahilig pa naman ako manise. So, for the motherboard, I bought MSI B450 Tomahawk. Ayan siya. I don't know. I don't know. Period. Then for the processor, Ryzen 5 3500X. And then for the graphics card, yeah, I know what you're gonna say. Ang dami nga rin ako nabasa and people saying na huwag muna ako mag-build right now kasi graphics card are so fucking expensive right now. I agree, they are and they are hard to find. So I bought, this is second hand by the way, 1650 Super. I was eyeing 1660 Super. This is not a steal in any way. Expensive ko pa rin siya nabili. This is second hand. Pag to nasira or nag-fail, I'm gonna show y'all his name so we can like sue him or something. Yung nagbenta sa akin ito. And then, for the power supply, Corsair. Ang arte ko papakinggan. And then for my RAM, HyperX Fury. DDR4 3200 something. Tapos 16 gig. 2 sticks. For my storage, 500 gig SSD from Samsung. I think right now ito pala yung need ko, but in the future I'm gonna put HDD kasi I know I'm gonna have a lot of files. For my CPU case, Fantech something. Yeah. At least pag may nabasag ako, it's gonna be documented and funny. And then for my monitor, ViewSonic, ViewSonic XG2405. Okay, so I'm gonna try to start with it na. Emphasis on the try. Also, I just noticed, nung pagtingin ko sa cam ko, ang taas ng hairline ko, ang laki ng noo ko, nakakainis. But alam mo yun, wala naman tayo magagawa, so huwag na tayo magreklamo. That's such a beep line. Pag wala kang magawa, huwag ka na magreklamo. Eh di wow. So, pagpasensya niya if there's like a brr sound kasi binuksan ko yung AC ko. Mag-start tayo sa motherboard, I think. So, ito yung motherboard. Cute. And then, oh shit, ang daming stuff. Yep. Oh, they have an installation guide naman pala. So, let's try that. So, I just changed yung angle ng cam. I don't know why. And then, I think we have to put yung processor. Holy shit. I think ito yung fan. Ito yung processor. And then, oh shit. I think may knob. Itong knob na to. So, supposed to go up? Ito, golden triangle. So it's supposed to go this way. Yeah. Oh, I'm such an IT. And then, I think we need to put the fan. Yeah, may thermal paste na siya. IT terminologies. Oh no, hindi mo nilagay ito. Nilagay niya yung RAM. So I'm gonna follow that. This is like how to build a PC for dummies. My god. Ako yung dummy. FYI. I was gonna make yung PC ko is like all white kasi yun yung aesthetic ko. I didn't buy a white white RAM kasi number one, they're expensive, and number two, black kasi itong motherboard, so medyo mag-stick out sila na parang, oh, there's white here, so I think okay na siya na black everything, if that makes sense. Dito ko siya lalagay sa second one and then sa fourth one. Kasi yun yung ginawa sa video. And then you're supposed to give it a little push. Pero natatakot ako. How do I know if it's... Oh! Ayun. Period. I guess I was just being gay about the force. And then, as per the video that I'm watching, SSD yung next. But, yung sa video kasi, yung SSD na gamit niya is the NVMe one, the small one that goes right here. But I bought yung SATA one because I'm poor and this is cheaper. Maybe in the future, I'm gonna upgrade if I get popular on YouTube and earn like millions. But right now, skip muna yun kasi I think it's gonna go sa ilalim part. So after that, I'm gonna go na sa fan, but I'm gonna open this teeny tiny screwdriver. I have a big one, if you know what I mean. I have a big one, but let's try this muna. Oh, may screws ako that I need to remove first. Why won't you... Holy shit. Fuck, I'm moaning. First time I've done this since like 2 years, so the fan should be here. So I need to stick it like this. But if pag ganito ko siya ilagay, ganito. Okay, so ganito ko siya ilalagay. Kasi it looks mas cute. Is this right? Cute! So, I think ito na siya. Ito na. Reason why I bought this one is kasi I was thinking of buying this one or yung rack door type. But the thing is, yung door type kasi, it has a magnet around here na color black. So, mas binili ko to kasi it's more white. Meron na siyang pre-installed na tatlong fan. So, okay, now I have to put this here. I think I need to put it like this. Is this right? Oh, it is. Okay, yeah. Okay, it's, pala siya. Bobo lang ako kasi it's perfectly aligned. Okay, I'm fucking stupid. I'm back. I did some meditating. I prayed a little, had my lunch. So, let's try. Nakakainis! Oh, yun ako nakapusa ng problema. May difference pala sa screw. Very slight difference. Like, thank God, I'm done. Alam nyo, I don't even think it's supposed to be this hard. I think I'm just really, really stupid. Okay, so now I think what I need to do is put these in. I'm right. Well, ayan na. I put this thing here. Yung malaki, and then I think this is for USB and this is for audio. Just found out na hindi ko nalagay ito here. So, God, I hate myself so much. So, nakabit ko na siya here. Yay! So, I think that's it. So, right now, I think I need to go na sa power. So, I removed this from here kasi walang space yung power. And then, ito, ikakabit ko na siya inside. I connected yung SSD here. And then, sobrang wala na akong energy magsalita actually. Ayan siya. Like, okay, cute. Screw this in. Okay, so now, this is so dreadful. Is that fine? Or do I need to push pa? PCIe, which goes where? Okay, so right now I think I need to install na yung graphics card ko that's so fucking expensive and overpriced. So I'm gonna remove this one. Like this, tama. And then I just have to push. Amazing! Okay, this is ugly. There. Is this right? So I cable managed it. Yan. Before anything else, I'm gonna remove this. Kasi, satisfying things. I'm so tired. Sinatag ko muna siya. This is done, I think. Then sinatag ko yung monitor and then the keyboard and the mouse. Itong dalawang monitor na to is my office PC, so don't mind that. So yeah, I cleaned up now a bit, set it up, and by clean up and set up, I mean, ta-dan! Don't worry, neat freak ako, so later in like 5 minutes, everything is gonna be organized and fine. Press ko yung power button. OMG, it's light up. Lit up. Ayaw mo kasi ng monitor for some reason. Okay, so yung HDMI, pala kanina I didn't plug sa graphics card. Right now, I plug it sa graphics card. So, let's see kung ano yung problem. No! There's still a problem. Oh shit, wait. Nasa bias na ako ng MSI, but may red light pa din. For some reason. What does that mean? Anong meaning ng red light? I don't know. I think nagawa ko siya. I just have to figure out kung ano tong red light na to. This is a very difficult thing to do. And it was fun. Was it fun? Not really. At least na-experience ko. And yung nail polish ko here nasira. Nainis ako. Sobrang sakit ng hands ko. Sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. And I did this for like 3 hours. 3 full hours. I don't even have jokes right now. Like, walang pumapasok na jokes sa isip ko to make y'all laugh. Ayun, right now I have to figure out kung what I need to do here. And kung ano to red thing. And then, let's see. For the whole night, I'm just gonna play some games. Maybe soon I'm gonna stream so I can be rich. Doing what I like. And have fun. Not all the time kasi ang toxic ng mga tao, especially Filipinos. Very. Wala na, I don't have anything else to say. Yay. Cute. La 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 la. So a little update, guys. I got it to work na. This is RGB light pala. My God. I thought it was like an error light. I've been disassembling and assembling for like another hour. Tapos nagtatawa ba't nandiyan pa siya. God. Sometimes I'm just so stupid. No, not sometimes. All the time pala. Okay, bye.